Hello, hi everyone. Here I will show you like how to navigate SAP Fiori. Okay, so here what you can see, this is a free account, which free trial account from SAP. So we have multiple modules here. So whenever you will come on this screen for the to get access to this, I have prepared an other video which you can see in the link, or the link is provided in the description. Here you can see that these are the applications. Okay, so procurement has multiple like applications other than this. So whenever you want to access some other application, you just go here. Okay, edit current page. Okay, so system will show you this. Now add tile. Now here you can see all of the applications for Fury applications to which you have access. Okay, so like we'll go for materials management, as we are looking for that. So this one is you have already in your dashboard, and something you want to add, you just come here, click on here. Okay, it is added. This one is added. So like this you can go through multiple applications, and whichever you want you can just click to add that to your dashboard. Okay, then you can just click here, back. Okay, back, back. So stock single material, back. So here you can see stock single material. Okay, so now this is added to your home page, dashboard, or your dashboard. Okay, I click on close. So here you can see now this particular tile. Now I can access it. Okay, this is a very easy way to add a tile which you already have the access. Okay, thank you very much.